welcome back. All right, so today we're going to go into the Dollar Tree and I want to show you my top picks for what you need in your home from the Dollar Tree. A lot of these, most of them I do have in my house. If they don't have them here, I will show you the ones that I have in my house, but I wanted to show you and take you along with me, so let's get started. I don't actually like them. So if you get them from the Dollar Tree and you're not so much worried about lighting them, candles are a great option from the Dollar Tree, along with picture frames. They have a great variety of picture frames that you can use. This one is already framed out, but the Dollar Tree is always going to be a good option. And they have such cute, these, I love these. I have picture frames similar to this that I paid a lot for. So that's always a good option. So those are the first. This one right here, great if you have a lot of pictures. Shelves when I get home, I use Dollar Tree books on my shelves, and you can just, even if you take up the cover, even if the back is something you don't want, you just face them this way and they look so good to fill your shelves. But I wanted to show you some of the Dollar Tree things that I have on my shelf. This ball dusty right now, but these are the books and how I do them. Like I said, I just turn them the other way because the colors and the wording on the binder not really in love with, but I have a lot of them because they're just good fillers, you know, for inside the I use Dollar Tree wood pieces and just their vases. Like I said, just put the fillers in. I use their boxes and just, you know, paint them over, and they're cute to use. Okay, so this is the shelf with, like I said, a lot of Dollar Tree items on the shelf, and it just keeps it simple and you don't have to spend a lot to do your stuff. You don't want to have to bend over and get this stuff. That dustpan is my favorite. Fill and vases. If you want to fill these, you can even be layered, kind of like that. Let me stop losing their rocks. But if you want to do layered like that, I've used those before. These are all great. You don't have to spend a lot of money on these things. Get them here from the Dollar Tree, and they keep your home looking nice. Dish in a solid color. They had black. I don't see black anymore, but see, these are perfect for the holiday. They even have, so you can get a whole set, and that way you can do your table this year without spending a lot, you know. So you can get a place setting of 4, 8, get those two. And you won't have to spend that much money. So dishes are always a good option, and barware. So I use these, and they're better than anything else that I have bought. Get your little mason jars, all kind of different things that you can get, and you don't have to spend a lot on. I love these, and then even the grip on them is so nice. So again, dishes from the Dollar Tree. you can get. But these are my favorite. I use these in my kitchen. I get these, and sometimes if I'm feeling a little fancy, I might change it up and get one of these. For some reason, these are thinner. I love, these are the drying mat. I use this under my dish thing. I use the pot holders, and then you can get these too. So you can get you a whole black set. They have it in red, they have it in other solid colors, but I love the black. Those are the ones I use the most. For $1, I think these are the best over-the-door hooks you can get. They're simple. They hold. You can put your purse on the back of your door, your coat. It's a space saver, and it only costs $1. And because of the gold color, I really, really like it. So I use those. I use these to hide away stuff, not in a place you can really see because they aren't that attractive. These, everybody needs these. You can stack up your stuff in your shelves. So for organization, the Dollar Tree is where you want to go because your cabinet, you close your door, nobody sees it anyway. These I use in my cabinet, and they look a little you know, but what I do is I take my Cricut and I put a label across it. I'll show you later. Put a label across it so it looks cute when you open the door, but it's plain and simple and it's functional. So for organization, you can't beat $1. And these aren't like thermal, but for quick to go, or if your kid loses them, leaves them in their room, lets things build up in them, those are good for $1 too. I use all different sizes, but this is a way you can jazz them up. This they have light brown sugar, dark brown sugar, powdered sugar, and I keep them in my cabinet, so it's not a real big deal, but it's cute to look at the wording on them. Okay. All right, it's dark in this corner again. You can see my shadow. All right, but this is another good Dollar Tree item. This got for $1. This book I got for $1 from the Dollar Tree too, and believe it or not, it actually has good recipes in it. So the Dollar Tree can keep your cabinets looking nice, organize your cookbooks, things like that. So that's another good use. So that was it for today's Dollar Tree finds. The Dollar Tree is forever changing. You can always find different things on different days. So always keep checking because like I said, they are a great place to keep your home organized, keep your home nice looking without having to spend a bunch of money, because not everything needs to cost $1 million. $1 sometimes is just what you need for what you need to do. All right, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.